Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can redeem your Xbox Live gift card. Keep watching the video till the end. To redeem your Xbox Live gift card, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in redeem Xbox Live gift card and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. Tap on redeem code link shown on the page. Log into your account and the home page of Xbox account will appear on the screen. Scroll down and tap on redeem code option. On the next page, enter your redemption code and tap on next. This is how you can redeem your Xbox Live gift card quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.